Unraveling Hyundai engine repair costs.
Hello, and welcome to this comprehensive video about Hyundai engine repair costs. Today, we'll delve into the associated costs, factors that influence these costs, and the importance of regular vehicle maintenance. Remember, preventative care is usually more cost-effective than dealing with major repairs.
What's the average cost of Hyundai engine repair?
Repair costs can vary widely based on the specific issue, your vehicle's age, and where you live. However, on average, you might expect to spend between $500 to $1,500 for minor engine repairs on a Hyundai vehicle. More severe problems, such as requiring a complete engine replacement, could cost upwards of $4,000 to $6,000.
What factors affect the cost of repair?
Several factors can influence the cost of Hyundai engine repairs. These include 1. Labor costs. Depending on your location and the complexity of the job, labor rates can vary significantly. 2. Parts. Original equipment manufacturer, OEM, parts tend to be more expensive than aftermarket parts. The cost can also depend on the specific parts that need replacement. 3. Engine type. Different Hyundai models have different engines. A complex engine or a high-performance model might cost more to repair. 4. Severity of damage. More severe problems, such as a seized engine or major mechanical failure, will be more expensive to fix.
How can regular maintenance reduce repair costs?
Regular maintenance of your Hyundai vehicle is crucial to minimize costly repairs. Routine servicing, like oil changes, filter replacements, and regular checkups, can prevent small issues from escalating into more significant, expensive problems. While repair costs can be intimidating, understanding the factors involved and keeping up with regular maintenance can help you budget for potential costs effectively. Hopefully, this video has helped you gain a better understanding of Hyundai engine repair costs. Remember, regular maintenance is your best ally in avoiding hefty repair costs.